Look, it is the very important formula in integration. If integral form of under root x square plus a square, then answer is x by 2 in square root x square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus in square root x square plus a square. Okay. If integral in form of in square root x square minus a square, then answer is x by 2 in square root x square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus x square minus a square. Okay, if here plus then here plus, if here minus then here minus. Okay, if integral in form of in square root a square minus a square, then answer is x by 2 in square root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Okay, let's start to derive it. Okay, if I equal to, I starting from this one, integration x square plus a square dx. Okay, I use integration by part. Okay, here I take 1 and this one is u and this one is v. Now using integration by parts, we will get x square plus a square integration dx minus integration in bracket d by dx square root x square plus a square integration dx bracket over dx. Clear? Now x square plus a square, this is x minus integration, this will 1 by 2 under root x square plus a square, here 2x and this one is x, here dx. Clear? Now I equal to x in square root x square plus a square minus integration 2 to cancel x square divide a square plus x square dx. Okay, look, integration I equal to x under root x square plus a square integration x square divide x square plus a square. Okay, now I add a square and minus a square divide x square plus a square bracket over dx. Okay, I equal to x in square root x square plus a square minus integration, this will in square root this whole in bracket x square plus a square minus a square divide x square plus a square bracket over dx. Here I equal to x in square root x square plus a square minus integration x square plus a square dx minus plus a square outside of integral and integration 1 upon x square plus a square here dx. Okay, look, this is exactly I. We have to find this one. Okay, now I equal to x square root x square plus a square minus I plus a square, this will log mod x plus in square root x square plus a square. Now I will come left side. Okay, then I 2i equal to x square root x square plus a square log mod x plus x square plus a square. Now we have to find I equal to x by 2 in square root x square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus x square plus a square, and put some constant c. Okay, that is formula we have to derive. Okay, now we derive this same formula using trigonometry substitution. Okay, let's say our formula I equal to integration in square root x square plus a square dx. Okay, we will take x equal to a tan theta and dx is a sec theta d theta. Now I equal to integration in square root a square tan square theta plus a square into dx will 8 sec theta d theta. Now I equal to integration in square root a square 1 plus tan square theta into a sec theta d theta. Now I equal to integration a sec theta into a sec theta d theta. I equal to integration a square sec cube theta d theta. I equal to integration a square sec cube theta d theta. We have to derive this one. Okay, let's start. Now I equal to a square is outside of integral and in bracket integration sec cube theta d theta. Now I equal to a square in bracket integral sec theta sec theta d theta. Okay, this will u, this will v, and sec theta is a take u, and I solve this by integration by parts. Okay, now I equal to a square in bracket sec theta integration sec theta d theta minus integration in bracket d by d theta sec theta integration sec theta d theta curly bracket close here d theta. Now close the bracket. A square here sec theta, this will tan theta minus integration derivation of sec is sec theta into tan theta, and this will we know tan theta, and here d theta. Close the bracket. I equal to a square in bracket sec theta tan theta minus integration sec theta into tan square theta d theta. I equal to a square sec theta tan theta minus integration sec theta and tan square will sec theta minus 1 d theta close the bracket. I equal to a square in bracket sec theta tan theta minus integration, okay, here bracket sec cube theta minus sec theta d theta, okay. I equal to a square sec theta tan theta minus integration sec cube theta minus plus integration sec theta d theta, okay, here also d theta, close the bracket. Now a square sec theta tan theta minus a square integration sec cube theta d theta plus a square integration sec theta d theta, okay. This is exactly we have to derive, okay. Now I equal to a square sec theta tan theta minus I plus a square log mod sec theta plus tan theta and plus c. Now I 2i a square sec theta tan theta plus a square log mod sec theta plus tan theta plus c, okay. I take first c dash. C dash is a constant, nothing else. Now tan theta from here, tan theta equal to x by a, theta this will x by a and this one x square plus a square, 2i a square, and sec theta will from this triangle a square plus a square by a, and tan will x by a plus a square log sec will x square plus a square by a, and tan is x by a plus c dash, okay. Now a square cancel, 2i is x square plus a square log mod x plus x square plus a square divided by a plus c dash, okay. Now 2i is x square plus a square log mod a plus x square plus a square plus c dash minus log mod a, and this is 2i. Now I equal to x by 2 a square by 2 and this constant by 2. Final answer I is x by 2 x square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus in square root x square plus a square, and this is new constant name as c, okay. C, look, this one and this one are exactly same answer. Okay, let's solve this one. Integration I equal to integration in square root x square minus a square dx. Okay, let's start by integration by parts. Okay, now integration I equal to x square minus a square, here I put 1 and dx, okay. This term I take as a u and 1 I take as a v, let's play. I equal to, by integration part we can write is x square minus a square integration dx. Dx or 1 dx both are equal, minus integration in bracket d by dx x square minus a square integration dx close the bracket dx. I equal to integration x square minus a square, and this will x minus integration derivative of this term will 1 by 2 in square root x square minus a square, in numerator 2x, okay, and here x, this dx. Now I equal to x square root x square minus a square minus integration 2 to cancel x square divide x square minus a square, okay, here bracket, and I will use here minus a square plus a square and bracket over here dx. Now I equal to x square root x square minus a square minus integration x square minus a square minus plus minus integration a square by x square minus a square dx. And look here, integration x square minus a square dx, and here integration in square root x square minus x square dx, this will I. Now I equal to x in square root x square minus a square minus I minus a square outside integration dx by x square minus a square. Now I 2y equal to x in square root x square minus a square, this will log mod x plus x square minus a square. Now I equal to x by 2 in square root x square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus x square minus a square plus put constant c, okay, that is our formula. Okay, let's solve our this one formula. Okay, this will I equal to integration a square minus a square dx. Okay, let's play. Before starting this formula we can solve by trigonometry substitution, and we can take x equal to a sec theta for this one. Now let's see this. Okay, I equal to integration a square minus x square, here put 1 dx. Now this term will u and 1 is v. Solve integration by part. I equal to square root a square minus a square integration dx minus integration in bracket d by dx square root a square minus x square integration dx close the bracket, here also dx. I equal to in square root a square minus x square, and this will x minus integration, this will 1 upon 2 in square root a square minus x square, 0 minus 2x, and this will x outside dx. Now I equal to x in square root a square minus a square minus minus plus integration 2 to cancel x square by a square minus x square dx. Okay, here I use bracket. Now I equal to x a square minus x square, here bracket, integration x square divide a square minus x square. Okay, now I use here plus. If I put minus, then I must have put here minus. Here a square add, and here minus a square dx. Understand? Now I equal to x in square root a square minus integration in bracket a square minus a square divide a square minus x square minus a by a square minus x square, close the bracket, dx. I equal to x in square root a square minus x square minus integration a square minus x square dx. Open the bracket, and this minus will plus. Here a square, take a square outside the integral, and a square integration 1 by in square root a square minus x square dx. Look, I equal to integration in square root a square minus x square dx, and this is I. Now I equal to x in square root a square minus x square minus I plus a square, and this will sine inverse x by a. Now I 2i equal to x a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x by a. Now my final answer is I equal to x a square minus x square, here x by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and plus put arbitrary constant c. Okay.